If your fireplace is throwing off weird smells, you gotta tackle it quick to keep your home fresh and cozy. First up, clean out the firebox because ashes and soot buildup are the main culprits for funky odors. Make sure to scoop out ashes regularly, like after every few fires, so nothing stinks up your space. Check the damper too. It should open and close properly to let smoke out and fresh air in. Sometimes critters like birds or squirrels decide your chimney is their new home, so peek up there for nests or debris and get rid of them safely. Use a chimney brush to scrub down the flue at least once a year to stop creosote, which smells awful and can be a fire hazard. Also, inspect your chimney cap to keep animals and rain out, which helps cut down on bad smells. If you've got a gas fireplace, check for leaks or buildup inside the burner because that can cause a rotten egg or gas smell. Lastly, airing out the room after using the fireplace helps flush out any lingering odors fast. One of the biggest mistakes people make with smelly fireplaces is ignoring regular cleaning. When ash piles up, it just gets worse. Fix it by setting a schedule to clean the firebox and remove ashes more often. Another common issue is not checking for animal nests in the chimney. Critters can leave droppings that cause nasty smells. Solve this by inspecting your chimney at least once a season and installing a chimney cap. Third, many folks forget to maintain the damper or chimney flue, which messes with airflow and lets smells back inside. Make sure everything moves smoothly and get a pro to clean the flue yearly to keep things fresh. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about fireplace maintenance and repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with homeowners ready to get work done without the hassle.